The Titan temperature clamp data can be viewed locally on the TITANMAX or viewed remotely in the YJack View or Measure Quick apps. The larger TITANMAX temperature clamps fit pipe diameters up to 1¼ inches. Suction and liquid line temperatures can be measured with the traditional wired Titan temperature clamps or using the optional wireless YJack temperature clamp or strap. The pressure temperature screen gives you real-time low side and high side system pressure readings in the form of analog gauges. It also provides saturation temperatures, low side and high side temperatures, as well as superheat and subcooling values. This has been a demonstration of the Yellow Jacket TITANMAX Digital Manifold and Titan temperature clamps. For more details, visit yellowjacket.com for product and customer support information.